How to sell Bitcoin on blockchain.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'll be showing you how you can sell Bitcoin on blockchain. In order to sell Bitcoin on blockchain, first thing you have to log in into your blockchain.com, enter in your credential and log in. Once you're logged in, by default, it's going to direct you to the home page. And while you're on this page, click on the trade icon located in the top right hand side corner. So as you click on it, you'll be able to see in the right hand side corner. So from there, you have to go ahead and tap on the sell button since you're selling the Bitcoin. Next, you have to select the asset that you wish to sell. Go ahead and select the asset. After you select the asset, then you have to enter in the exact amount that you wish to sell. And if you're sure about it, then click on preview sell located right at the bottom. And lastly, you'll be notified that you've successfully sold Bitcoin on blockchain. So that's basically how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.